Hello beautiful people, Leo. How are you today? Let's start with your taroscope for the month of September. I've already drawn 3 cards for you, and from Rider-Waite Tarot cards and 1 angelic guidance. And let's start with your reading. The very first card which you received is the Chariot card. It's a very beautiful card. It's a very positive card. I mean, this is at this point of time you're very determined. You have a good willpower. You have already set your goal in your mind. You have set your goals already. You have manifested something very big in your life, which you're going to receive soon. However, there are obstacles and hurdles in your path, but I am pretty much sure that you are able to overcome all those obstacles, all those hurdles. And that's for sure. This card also shows some travel in the first part of the month, in the first 10 days of the month. You may travel professionally, and at this point of time, one more thing, that you know what is good and what is bad for you. You are on pretty much right path, and you know what you need to do right now at what time. So move forward, go ahead and go with the flow. The second card, again, it's a very beautiful card, the Fool. This card is also a very positive card, though it has pros and cons. I mean, this card shows that there could be some beginning, a new beginning coming into your life. That could be very adventurous for you. Adventure is all about risk, which you need to take in future. You are very innocent at this point of time, and due to this innocence, you may be doing some foolishness also. This is possible. This is not sure. This is saying this is possible that you could do that. However, I can see that a great beginning of something is coming into your life. A great opportunity is coming. However, you need to do your research, your observation before moving forward as usual. However, what I would really suggest you is move forward, and gradually you will learn with your own experiences in your life. Very beautiful card and very positive card also. So go ahead, move forward and do your research, do your homework first, and then move forward. And the third card, again, wow, Leo, what an incredible reading this month you have. I mean, all 3 major arcanas. See, the Hierophant, again a very positive, very beautiful card. What I see is, at the end of the month, you could meet a person in the form of your guru, or your mentor, or your counselor. First the counselor, and then he could become your guru or mentor, who can help you out in your difficult situations which are going on right now. If you're not able to come up to any solution, you can take the help of your mentor. And at this point of time, you are being very traditional, very customized. You may be following some traditions of your religion. You may be invited to some traditional ceremony. So at the end of the month, you are into something traditional, like conventions and traditions of your religion. So this is a great card to receive. And one more thing I would really suggest you is that you, at this point of time, when this card comes up, you need to take your guru's blessings, your mentor's blessings. Go to them, take their blessings, ask them to shower their blessings on you. If you need any kind of help, you can ask them also. They are going to help you out, definitely. So at the end of the month, you're getting your guru's, your mentor's blessings. If you don't go to any gurus, go to the temple, take blessings of Almighty, your God, your goddesses. but at least go to some like religious place and get the blessings from your Almighty or your Guru, your angels, your spirit guides. Alright, so it's a beautiful reading, incredible reading, Leo, for you this month. So keep up the pace, go ahead, move forward, and you are going to get success. Now, one angelic guidance, and today's guidance is from Angel Therapy by Doreen Virtue. Very beautiful cards, and these are my first deck. This is my first deck which I bought it when I started Oracle card reading, and it's very like near to me, the deck. Alright, the card which you received is Clear Yourself. What does this mean? I'll read out for you. Ask the angels to release any toxic energies and that you may have absorbed. This means that like in general life, I'll explain it to you. In general life, we meet so many people at the same time, and some have higher energies, some have lower energies. And what happens is, at this point of time, Leos, you have a very high sensitivity, and you take or you absorb other people's energy, those who are carrying lower energies, and you absorb those energies within you, and after absorbing those energies, you are feeling low. What angels want you to do at this point of time is, you need to clear all the energies which you have absorbed from others. Maybe you are feeling so low at the end of the day, at night, while sleeping, you think you don't have energy. I mean, something is bothering you. What's bothering? You don't know that. But I'm telling you, those lower energies are bothering you. So you need to clear up yourself. After seeing this card, you need to clear up yourself. What you need to do is, if you are like known to angels, it's perfect. If you don't, then also I'll tell you what's the practice. Like, you need to call upon Archangel Michael. Say, sit in a very comfortable place before sleeping, I'm telling you. Maybe in your temple you can sit and sit in the meditation position and close your eyes and call Archangel Michael. What you need to say, I call upon Archangel, oh Archangel Michael, I call upon you now to please come and protect and shield me from every kind of negativity with your white, green and purple light. This you have to say 3 times, and you will see a lot of difference in yourself. I mean, you just, while saying this, while speaking these words, you should visualize that an angel, your guardian angel, Archangel Michael, is with you, and he is protecting you and shielding you from every kind of negativity. And visualize that there is an aura of white, green and purple light. Visualize that aura. Like nothing can harm you. Nobody can harm you. Nobody's energy, lower energy can harm you. You'll be so peace. You'll be at so peace after doing this activity. Do call this. I mean, do call Archangel Michael and do this. Do call him and speak this affirmation to him. Definitely he's going to help you out. Alright, thank you so much, Leo. Thank you so much for watching this video, listening this video, and your support. Thank you. Blessings, angels, blessings.